Hi, welcome to Pack Expo. My name is Tim Madden, and I'm the Director of Sales for the Engage Packaging Group. And we're here today highlighting some of our automated packaging lines, specifically our ERX-15 automatic case erector. Now more than ever, companies are looking to automate their packing line, not only for efficiencies, but also worker safety. This is exactly where the ERX-15 comes in. This is a very simple machine. It runs 15 cases a minute. It's got a great small footprint. It's easy to set up and it's easy to operate. The setup is done with 5 easy accessible handles. These first 2 will handle the box size. This will handle the placement of the box in the magazine. That will be the height, and this is the width of it. All accessible by one operator. Loading can be done on the fly. Moving these paddles out very easily, very lightweight. Load boxes up, strapped, break the strap, let her rip. Again, 15 cases a minute, very smooth setup. That runs into our Eastey conveyor system, which we have a full line of conveyors in different widths, depending on the box size. And then we move over to our automatic case sealer. Again, this is a really nice small footprint that's an operator can run the boxes, we can do packing, and then we can go out and tape, and then goes on to a skate wheel conveyor where we can palletize it from there. This is a perfect setup for one operator to handle everything here, from case loading to case packing to palletizing. Let's do a quick demonstration and show you what I'm talking about. We'll just have that set up in auto mode. I'm going to run 4 cases here. Basically hit the green button and let her rip. The air action will open up the case. It's forming the case here. You can see that it's easily taped. I'm packing it. It goes into the case taper where the automatic taper will fold, kick down that rear miner, tape the top of the box, and we're ready to go. Hi, thanks for taking a minute to watch our video today. We really appreciate that. If you'd like to learn more about the Eastey product line or anything that you see here, please visit our website at eastey.com, or you can visit our YouTube link where you can see a lot of other videos of our machines in operation.